President Kenyatta ni arananirie na Brenda Cherotich na Brian Orinda kuhitukira mutambo wa Skype na kumacokeria ngatho ni undu wa gwitikira kwamukira urigitani, akiuria muingi urumirire muhano otoyo. Uhoro uyu niguo a Kenya maranjirie kuhuthia na kuga thirikari ni kuhuthira irahuthira a Kenya aya kwigathiriria na kuonania uria mararuta wira mwega wa kuhurana na COVID-19. Na haha niho marakara ma minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe maumite.
It is shocking that some have decided to make fun and brand our effort as a PR exercise. Really? A PR exercise? Why would a government, in collaboration with the World Health Organization and other intergovernmental organizations, international organizations, decide to make a PR exercise with two innocent Kenyans?
Athiite na mbere na kuga uhoro uyu nduguthirira haha, aria mahunjitie muhuhu uyu mitambo-ini ya ukinyaniria ni mekuonana na watho.
And I condemn in the strongest terms any person who would attempt to do so. And I appeal to our enforcement agencies to arrest social media users. It is wrong and that it should not happen.
Governor wa kaunti ya Kilifi Gideon Saburi na kariu ne ukinyukirio makinya ma kiwatho ni gutambia homa ya COVID-19. Saburi acokire bururi-ini kuma bururi wa Germany tariki 5 mweri wa gatatu, no akinye guku bururi-ini ndathire keheri kwa ihinda ria thikũ 14 ona thutha wake kwirwo eke uguo ni munene wake Governor Amason Kingi. Uhoro mwega ni ati ni atoretie COVID-19 na riu atigia gukinyio igoti-ini.
He has been declared fit after being subjected to 3 tests, all of which have turned negative. Naturally, the issue of the law, we will now follow up with him.
Minister Kagwe augite aria mari na homa ino bururi-ini ni meguthii na mbere na kuongerereka. Uguo akoria muingi uthii na mbere na kurumirira mawatho maria mahagikitwo ma kugiria homa ino gutamba makiria, ta kugacirithia utheru, kwaga guikara andu mari ikundi na gwathikira watho wa curfew. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Mucoki.